Hi everyone, this is Chandrakeshav Singh. I'm a representative of Canada College. So in this session today, we will discuss about Canada College, the location, the programs, the facilities, the schedule, so everything about Canada College. So hopefully this session will be helpful for you. So let's start with a little brief about Canada College. So Canada College is a 40 years old institution. We are serving in this uh, in this industry from last 40 years, uh, and the Canada College is located in Montreal, Quebec, center of the downtown in Montreal, Saint Catherine Street, and we have three different campuses in Montreal only, in downtown only, because we are increasing our campuses and we are increasing our strength, and so so the Canada College offer three programs, and all the three programs are for 2 years, and 2 year leads to up to 3 years of stay back. Yes, all our programs are for 2 years, and 2 year leads to up to 3 years of stay back. So our first program is early childhood education and business, and the second program will be business administration, and the third program will be database administration. All these three programs are for 2 years, and let's talk about the requirements. So we need six, and we overall six, and in one module we accept 5.5. Only in one module we accept 5.5, and it should be overall six. And let's talk about the percentage, a lot of academic percentage. So we don't have any particular criteria about the this academic percentage. If you are passed, you can you're most welcome to apply. And so we accept PTE as well. It's 50, it's overall 50, not less than 42, and we accept TOEFL as well. It's 70. Now a lot of students have question about Duolingo. Yes, Canada College accept Duolingo test as well, and the marks should be 95 and above. So let's talk about gaps as well. We don't have a particular criteria for gaps. If you are completing your degree in a given time, for example, your degree or your bachelor's or your master's, it's for like for example, your bachelor is for 3 years, and you are completing your bachelor within 3 years only, and in that time you are having 14 or 12 or 6 backlogs, no problem, we accept that. You are most well, we will be very happy to give you the offer letter in that case. And let's talk about the gaps. So gaps, it's differ to profile, but if you are having justification of your gap, yes, we will be giving you the offer letter, and we will give you the LOA. We don't have Canada College doesn't have an offer letter. We directly give LOA, and our LOA fees is $250, and it's a non-refundable fees. And but yes, we don't have any application fees or something like that, but yes, we have LOA fees. And we don't give offer letter because we have cut that time, because first the student fill the application, after that he get offer letter, and then he sign that offer letter, send back to college, after that college give the LOA. So we cut that time, and we straightly give LOA after your application and your payment of $250. Now let's talk about the schedule. What schedule you will be so your classes for early childhood education and business administration, your classes will be 15 to 16 hours a week. Yes, 15 to 16 hours a week, and it will be 2 to 3 days a week. In this case, you will be having plenty of time with you to enhance your skills, to work, to learn French. You will be having a lot of time. It will be not like that you will be spending your major of the week in the college. No, it's not like that. And you will be getting you will be getting your class schedule and everything in advance, and it can be 2 days or a 3 days a week class in business administration, and in business administration and early childhood education. And now let's talk about database administration. So in this program there will be 12 to 13 hour week class, and it will be 2 days a week class. So in this program as well, you will be having you will be having a lot of time for yourself to enhance your skills, to do a lot of other stuff, right, for to do something concrete for your future. Now let's talk about the fees. All the programs are for 2 years, and the fees is same for the whole programs. For all of the programs is 18,500 for the whole 2 years. Yes, it's 18,500 for the whole 2 year fees. And a lot of students, agents ask me why Canada colleges have asking for so less fees. They can ask for more fees, and but it's remind me it's because of our mission and a vision of our owner. So our owner is Dr. Cyrus. He's a top-notch doctor in Quebec. He's a cancer specialist. He believes that we cannot do a business of education. That is the reason his mission is to give affordable education for everyone. So that is the reason the fees is so affordable, and it's not like that with a low fee we are compromising with any facilities of the college. No, you can judge this thing on that. This having so less fees, we are still sitting in the prime location, center of the downtown. Yes, so if anyone thinks that we are compromising with any of the facilities, no, we are not. And our campus open till 10 p.m. in the night, and the students can take advantage of the library, all the infrastructure of the campus. So you can sit till 10 p.m. in the night. You can do your stuff in the college only. And so this was about the fees and everything. And now let's take the questions of the students. So it's embassy. It's depend on our government. I cannot comment on that. It's depend on our government, when the VFX will be starting the processing of the things, right? Because embassy is open. Embassy is taking the things. Embassy is open, but let's hope that VFS will also start soon. Any questions? Anyone? I guess there's no questions. So our application is open for September intake as well. If you want to apply for September intake this year, you can apply, but the seats are running they are filling very fast, so you need to be hurry. And if you want to apply, you can contact Apple Abroad Solutions. They are the authorized agent for Canada College, so you can contact. Pay after visa. No college doesn't. None of the college has this offer, and college have nothing to do with your fees after visa or not. It's just the agent who do that, and it's not a safe option to do so. It's not a safe option, because in SDS category you need to have 1 year fees before your visa. You need to submit your 1 year fees in your SDS category. So Geet, you need to do some research on that. Yes, there's nothing pay after visa. It's just some agents do that. So you need to do some research. You need to be very smart in this. No fee discount. We already have a best fees. We don't give any discounts. Non-medical can database administration. For non-medical student, database administration. Rakesh Sharma. So we are still taking application for September. COVID-19 situation is, as you know, it's effective the whole world, right? In Quebec, the numbers are a little high as compared to other provinces in Canada, but yes, it's improving. It's improving very fast. Any more questions? Anyone? So I guess I have no other all no other questions. So I will just end this session. Hopefully this session was helpful for you. So if you want to know about more about Canada College, you can contact Apple Abroad Solution on their Facebook or on their landline and phone numbers. So they are available all the days. You can just give them a message on Facebook or you can call them. Okay, take care, be safe everyone, stay safe, stay happy, bye bye.